Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this fancy rock star character! Hello, super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 20. Did you know Numberblock 20 is made of 20 blocks? That is 2 groups of 10. 10, 20, 20! And look at that stylish hat! Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. Our big body is ready. Now inside the rectangle, draw 3 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3. Now draw 4 horizontal lines going across. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count our blocks. 10, 20, 20 blocks! Now let's draw the face. Numberblock 20 wears round glasses, so elegant. Inside the glasses, draw the eyes. Left eye and right eye. Those glasses look so classy. Now draw the eyebrows above the glasses. Left eyebrow, swoosh. Right eyebrow, swoosh. Now draw a big happy smile. Numberblock 20 is always smiling. Now time for the guitar. Numberblock 20 is a rock star musician. Draw the guitar body, nice round shape. Now the guitar neck, going up. Add the strings, one by one. And the little dots on the neck. Beautiful guitar. Now draw the hands. Left hand strumming the strings. Right hand holding the guitar neck. Perfect musician pose. Now draw the legs at the bottom. Left leg, right leg. And the shoes, fancy orange shoes. And now, the most stylish part. Draw the top hat at the corner of the head. Hat brim first, then the hat body going up. That hat is so fancy. And finally, at the very top, write the number 20, 20. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 20. I have a fancy purple hat and I play guitar. I am made of 20 blocks. Count them. 10, 20, 20.
First, pick up the black color. Spell black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Exciting! Color the eyes inside the glasses, black. Sharp little eyes. Now pick up purple. Spell purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Color the glasses purple. Color the eyebrows purple. And the hat purple too. A purple hat, so stylish.
Nice and neat on the page, rectangle shape, so we begin step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space. Is boring, is fun and slow, we don't need to rush the pace.
Now pick up pink. Spell pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Color the smile outline pink, and the hat outline pink too. Pink and purple, perfect combination.
Magic feels so great.
Now pick up dark maroon. Spell dark maroon, D-A-R-K-M-A-R-O-O-N. Color the hands dark maroon, and the upper legs dark maroon. Strong musician hands. Back to black for the guitar. Color the guitar body outline black, and the little dots on the guitar neck black too. Clean and sharp. Now pick up light brown.
12, 13, 14, every block.
Spell light brown, L-I-G-H-T, B-R-O-W-N, light brown. Color the guitar lines light brown. Warm and woody, just like a real guitar.
Numberblocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next. Color every single one, step by step.
Now pick up light cream. Spell cream, C-R-E-A-M, cream. Color the guitar body light cream. That guitar looks absolutely real. And now, the big final color.
Color lightly, make the picture never drop. Color the blocks one by one, fill it in and let it shine.
Pick up orange, bright, beautiful orange. Spell orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Color the whole body orange. Every single block orange. And the shoes orange too. Fill it all beautifully.
Again, this is learning with our heart. This is fun and this is art. Drawing every little part makes the magic truly start. Color the top, color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combine. Drawing number blocks of love makes every picture look so fine. Now we finish nice and slow, step by step and line by line. Take a breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks look super fine. We can draw them every day. We can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination an amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun. Drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count, count and color. Learning numbers like no other. Pick a color, pick a shade, let the drawing time begin. Make a square and stack another, build a number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative, this is how the numbers grow. Color softly, color gently, fill the picture nice and bright. Red and pink and purple, yellow, turn the page into delight. We can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks,
And
5 blocks, 7
done.
balls.
Amazing job, super learners! Today you drew one big rectangle, 3 vertical and 4 horizontal lines, 20 blocks, round glasses, eyebrows, a happy smile, an awesome guitar, hands, legs, shoes, and a super fancy purple top hat. And colored with black, purple, pink, dark maroon, light brown, light cream, and orange. You are a rock star artist. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.